5 reasons why your skincare routine is not working. Hi, I'm Dr. Sharmila Nayak, founder of the Skin First Clinic, and I love to educate and empower people about skin and wellness. Here are some of the reasons why your skincare routine is not giving great results the way you desire. You are probably not consistent with your routine. Consistency is key, we all know that. The same way that you don't forget to brush your teeth daily, you should not forget to follow your skincare regime if you want to see great results. Let me know what could be the reason for being inconsistent. Leave your comments, I would definitely love to hear from you. Hormonal changes could be one of the reasons that you are not seeing great results or visible results, even though you are being consistent with your skincare regime. Hereditary factors, stress, lifestyle, certain medications can lead to hormonal changes. If the cause is internal, external application alone will not be able to give you the desired result. Too much or too less of the product. Of course, if you apply less product, you are not going to see the product working the same way. If you eat less food and you think that the nutrients are going to be enough to create a change in your body. When you apply too much of the product, remember, it has active ingredients and it might lead to inflammation, dryness and irritation of skin, and it will also impair the skin barrier function. It is our mentality as a human being that if I apply more product, I will get faster results. It's not true always. Wrong products for your skin type. Very important to understand this. If your skin is not oily, it is not acne prone, and you apply a beta hydroxy acid such as salicylic acid, it will further irritate the skin and strip away the moisture content of your skin, thereby leading to dullness and irritation of skin. Most of the times, I have seen that people take the advice from their friends, family, or online. Remember, your friends and family might have a different skin type and skin concern, and what suits them might not be applicable to you, that it's going to give you a better result. Always seek advice from an expert dermatologist if you want to see a healthy glowing skin in the long run. If you are confused, always better to talk to the expert who will be very happy to guide you. Here's a pro tip. Another reason why the skincare routine might not be working for you, it could be that the product has expired or it is not authentic. Make sure you check the expiry date and authenticity of the product before you purchase it. If you are confused, overwhelmed, or not seeing great results, always seek help from a professional skin specialist who would be really happy to guide you and also customize your skincare regime so you have a beautifully radiant, healthy skin in the long run. And as always, keep smiling and keep shining.